Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I am making chicken broccoli Alfredo. Notice in the bowl here I have some chicken with some pepper flakes, salt, vinegar, oil, and marinating it for 60 minutes. Next to that I have cream, butter, nutmeg, whole grain pasta, the thin pasta. I'm using it instead of the fettuccine. I have my broccoli already cut up, and I have some garlic here that I'm gonna crush and put in the sauce. So it's a very good recipe. So hopefully you can follow along with me and make this yourself the next time. I've placed on the stove some water for the pasta to get it started. Added some salt. You want your water to be like a C. Also going to add my broccoli in at the very last end to get it cooked. Okay. The pasta water is ready. I have added 2 cloves of garlic, and I added the salt in there, so it's ready for me to add the pasta. I added my pasta to the water, and I left it whole, and I'm gonna turn on the timer for 7 minutes. And you cook your pasta according to the direction on the pasta package. While the pasta is cooking, I'm gonna prepare my chicken here. I'm gonna add some the egg white from that 1 egg onto the chicken here. And I'm gonna add some cornstarch to the chicken. And I'll mix the chicken up well. The chicken, it will brown it on the outside and keep the chicken moist in the inside. Instead of wasting the egg white, you just add it to your chicken to coat the chicken. So we're gonna let that marinate in that for a few minutes. And while this is marinating, I'm gonna go ahead and crush my garlic using my garlic crusher. Add it to another little bowl. Okay. Get all the garlic off of there. I'm going to do one more and take the skin out of here. I added the broccoli to the pot. I'm going to let that cook for about 2 minutes. Broccoli is ready now to add to the Alfredo sauce. I will be adding it a little bit later to the Alfredo sauce. I'm going to grate the nutmeg. You do fresh nutmeg. Oh, it's a wonderful taste compared to the stuff you buy in the container. You have to go to a spice store to buy the whole nutmeg. Oh, it smells so good. I'm draining the pasta in the sink here, but I have a little small bowl under the pasta so I can catch some of the pasta water. So if I need additional water for my Alfredo sauce, I will add some of the pasta water. It will help thicken up the sauce. have poured some oil in the skillet so that I can saute my chicken first. I missed from cooking in my restaurant. So by cooking on YouTube, it fulfills that need that I have. I love cooking, so I'm really enjoying making this cooking video for you. My cookbook will be coming out the end of February, and you will be able to find it on my website, which is www.bettyburnett.com, and that's Bettye, Burnett, Burnett. This cookbook is all about how I located a place for my restaurant, the operation of my restaurant, the hours of operation, and the recipes that I use at my restaurant. The restaurant I own, it was a burger restaurant, so we will have a lot of recipes based on the burgers that we sold at the restaurant, and also many of the side dishes will be on it. Many of the side dishes will be in the recipe book. I'll turn it over right now, then we'll flip it over again. The chicken cooks very fast. It doesn't take long at all to cook this chicken. You can also cook your chicken nuggets like this if you like. It's a great way to marinate chicken and cook chicken nuggets. I'm going to turn my new way down to medium heat. It was up to high. Coming out very shortly. Notice that I just browned the chicken just a little bit. I'm going to take it out of the skillet and wait for the sauce. I'm going to wait for to prepare the sauce, and I will add the chicken back into the sauce. And chicken. I just added it to the bowl here. Just set it aside for the sauce to be prepared. Now I'm preparing this pan for my sauce. Sauce. Alfredo sauce. I'll add the salt and pepper. Black pepper. The nutmeg. Garlic, Parmesan cheese. I'm putting the Parmesan cheese in there now. Now add the egg in here. Give some out. Now I'm going to add the pasta back in here. add the pasta to the sauce. It smells so good. See how that pasta is making that sauce thicken up? It smells so good. I'm going to add a little of the pasta water. Drain off. And a little bit. You put the broccoli in there, so it's really going to taste really good. We cooked the broccoli in the pasta water also. Notice that nutmeg that dissolved into the sauce. And the sauce is getting thicker. I'm going to go ahead and add the chicken back in. Oh, that looks delicious. Now I'm going to add the broccoli in there. One thing about the new way I love, the outside of the new way does not get hot. Or you can touch it, you can clean it up, keep it clean that way. I'm going to let this cook a little bit longer before I add the broccoli in there. Just to let everything marry together. Sauce with the chicken. I'm going to taste the sauce and make sure that I don't have to add anything more to it. It is so good. Very good. Don't need to add anything else to it. It's just perfect. Okay, I'm going to add the broccoli to it now. Oh, that looks so good, and it tastes amazing. You get your vegetables and everything in this dish. Okay. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching Betty's